he had sought to cancel his bail, which has been granted by the Honorable Court. One of the conditions was imposed on him that he should not leave country without permission of the court, which he had breached. He had travelled, besides France, he had travelled four more countries without permission of the court, which we had got before the court, and court was pleased to grant our conviction concerning his bail.
But it seems to he had asked for the permission that he is going out of India.
No, it was not blanket order as such.
Okay.
He had only sought permission to travel France country.
Particular
He has
France
also
country.
given the details of the ticket which he is going to go and when he is going to come. So specific dates were mentioned, and thereafter he travelled 4 other countries for which he has not obtained any permission. So we had brought it to the notice of the court that he has travelled without permission of the court. So court has been pleased to reject his application.
Means he had violated the condition.
Yes.
जी रिटर्न विभागाची जी स्पेसिफिक डेट दिली त्याने एक्सटेंड
He
केलं
had come there.
आणि
He
परत
had come there, but he has travelled some other countries. For that he
In
has not
between.
obtained any permission.
In between.
Yes.
Okay.
After that.
Okay.
After visiting France, he has travelled 4 more countries, for which he has not obtained any permission.
ओके
So we moved an application to cancel his bail.
या सो एनी चान्सेस ऑफ अरेस्ट अगेन आणि कितें ग्रेड क्लियर जाल्लें आसा
It is not mentioned in the order as such, but it will be as good as if it is cancelled, then
ही कॅन बी अरेस्टेड
he can be arrested.
ओके